Morning, everybody. I'm looking pretty today, and I do this like once a week or when I know I have something to do after class. So last night after I showered, I put some coconut oil in my hair and I braided it. When I do this, it's easier for me to manage my hair. The previous semesters I used to keep my hair straight for longer periods of time, so it's one less thing for me to do. That's my whole thing. I like working smarter, not harder. So if it's one less thing for me to do in the morning, it's perfect. That's another big reason why I really never do my makeup in the morning. I really never just brush my hair in the morning either, because I just don't care. Like, all I want to do is wake up and go to lecture, because that is my life. But today, like I said, I'm gonna look cute. I'm gonna put on my handy dandy wig over there. I hang it on my lamp. I'm so weird. So yeah, just put the eyelashes on. I just fixed up my eyebrows as well with my little razor here, so I might be a little red. And I love this. Like, at first I didn't know how to use this, but once you do it a few times, like, you're gonna be fine shaping up your eyebrows. You might cut it off a few times, because I definitely did. Sometimes I still do if I'm not focusing. So I told you guys I gained weight, and I'm like, I'm loving it, to be honest. Like, do you see? Oh my god, I love it. Too bad my heart doesn't like it. If my heart liked it, I would stay this size, because I just like being pudgy. I've grown to love it over the years, and just when I lost it, it was kind of like, oh my god, but now I'm kind of getting it back, as you can tell, because my pants are like not fitting and I'm muffin topping. It's kind of lopsided, but it's gonna work. I'll show you guys how I do my wig now. It's still kind of the same as I did it years ago. So just make it as flat as possible. I do double caps just to like hold more of my hair down. And then it also makes the bottom of the cap look better. Like, you can see here, like the lines that I draw in on the lace front to make it look more natural. I've been using this tape. At first, I really didn't like it. I still kind of don't like it. But some days it sticks really good to my skin, sometimes it doesn't. I know you were tired of me with this song. So right now it's almost 7:40, and I'm going to review my last exam with my teacher. I like to review stuff before class, because after class everyone's trying to do stuff and blah blah blah. So usually the day of the exam, I go up to my teacher right after class and I'm like, hey, can I come and review my exam? Me and my nursing mom usually do it together. So me and my nursing mom, we're gonna go review our exam. They're very strict about it too. Like, you can't write any, well, you can write some things down, but you can't write down or like write down things word for word or take pictures of anything, because honestly, like, the longer you're in a nursing program, the more you realize that you can only ask so many questions like different ways, you know. So I get it, like why they don't want people taking pictures and stuff like that, and you have to review it in front of them. So it all makes sense. They want to protect the integrity of the program.
I started a new exercise program.
Ooh.
With a new diet.
Ooh, okay.
So anyway, so
Stuff like, I have to pee too. We're on break right now, so this building is so pretty because it's like all brand new, and you can see outside there. And usually on this screen, they used to have like a picture and was like, oh, like snap with us or whatever. And Mia used to be up there. It used to be so funny. But let me go pee and then go back to class. I hate that the light is behind us. Oh, okay, get it sexy. Stop. Today we're learning about asthma.
So 2 more weeks and then the light is no longer sucked out of us.
That's it.
Thanks, Ben.
Drink run for cigarette.
Yeah, but this is coffee. It's almost empty.
So you gotta get the tea. Oh my god, you're drinking coffee? I feel like you haven't drank coffee in a while.
Me?
Yeah.
I drink coffee every day.
But you've been drinking a lot of that lemon tea.
Yeah, well, I love the lemon tea. So listen, because I refuse to hand wash my travel mugs because it's really annoying. I had to find one that's dishwasher safe before I started using it. So I drink an open cup of coffee on my car ride up here. And then I spill, and my husband gets mad, and he's like, ah, you're so messy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Ben, let's see the maple syrup. Do you still have it, or did you give it to Jared? Ooh, look. His family makes that.
You didn't think to get us a Rice Krispie treat? That's terrible, Ben.
I walked in there and I got you water.
Thank you.
Now you're griping. I'll take that back.
Oh, and let me put the tea bag in it first.
We just finished eating lunch. That's nursing Mom Sarah, as you guys know. We're really ghetto, so I buy food from downtown City Tapper. We come here and eat it, but we also buy stuff from here. Right? We buy stuff from here. Tea, coffee, whatever. And a dessert.
Yeah, like cheesecake would be really nice.
Yeah, I don't make a cheesecake though. But so good. I just watched my show and then I gotta start studying. What are you working on?
My final piece review.
Dun 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 dun.
Yep. Hold on, let's get a close up of the final countdown.
Oh yes, please. Of all of them. The pinning and the oh.
That's till our cardiac final, okay?
Bam.
All right, you got that? Okay, look. Pinning. Yeah,
Bam.
that's right.
Did that say
See?
30 days?
Yeah, 30 days.
Wow.
We literally get pinned tomorrow, or a month from tomorrow. Or today.
From yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yes. Well, I'm gonna get my book so I can start doing work. What time do we get here?
Huh?
What time did we get here? Like at 1? No, like 12 something. Right?
I don't know.
We got here like at 12 something and now it's 3. So a good few hours of studying done. I'm at Spa in Saratoga Springs now. Earlier I was at Spa in Huntsville. So I've just been here working on my stuff, getting ready for the pharmacology quiz. Finishing up some paperwork, and that's really it. Had my nighttime tea, and I'm about ready to go home, so I'm gonna stop the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Follow me on Snapchat at HelloKathleenGreen, Instagram HelloKathleenGreen, Twitter HelloKathleenGreen. Just follow me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.